The wait is finally over. The very first real-life hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 has dropped, and it's making serious waves across the tech world. This early leak, shared by Max Jambor and posted via Minku Andre on Mobile Isimo, wasn't expected, but it's exactly the kind of surprise that gets everyone talking. From the moment you see it resting on what appears to be its official retail box, the message is clear. This isn't just another foldable, it's a statement. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 looks more refined than ever. The redesigned dual-camera layout is sleek and balanced. The polished glass-like finish reflects light beautifully, and the overall footprint feels tighter, more compact, more premium. It immediately gives off flagship energy, and then there's the folding mechanism, smooth, gapeless, and incredibly satisfying. Every curve, every surface, every angle shows just how far Samsung has come in perfecting the flip form factor. There's no wobble, no flex, just a flawless snap that screams precision engineering. Samsung didn't just iterate, they elevated. Though we don't yet have official specs, the visual language speaks volumes. The Z Flip 7 appears thinner and more ergonomic, likely packing refinements under the hood as well, whether in materials, thermal design, or internal hardware. It's hard not to notice the attention to detail. This feels like a device that's been obsessively designed to impress both in the hand and on the shelf. Whether you're a longtime flip phone fan or just someone curious about the foldable future, this real-life glimpse delivers an exciting dose of what might be coming. And with the Galaxy Unpacked event just around the corner on July 9th, it looks like Samsung is gearing up to deliver not just another release, but a major leap forward. If this is what's coming, the Flip 7 could easily become the most stylish, refined, and desirable clamshell phone we've ever seen. So, buckle up, because if the real thing lives up to what we're seeing in this leak, Samsung might just redefine the foldable category once again. Just days before the big reveal, official renders have surfaced, exposing the full lineup of Samsung's own accessories for the Galaxy Z Flip 7. And trust us, they're not just ordinary cases. They're smarter, sleeker, and ready to unlock the next level of flip functionality. According to the bombshell leak from Android Headlines, Samsung is coming in hot with 4 stylish case options and a new anti-reflective screen protector, tailor-made for the Flip 7. At first glance, they might look similar to what we saw with the Flip 6, but under the surface, there's a magnetic twist, literally. The standout newcomer is the clear magnet case, featuring a full ring of magnets instead of the usual grip. This isn't just for aesthetics. It transforms the Flip 7 into a Qi 2 compatible magnet beast, ready for next-gen wireless charging and magnetic accessories, something Apple users have raved about for years. The clear grip case, another returning favorite, brings back that transparent minimalism with a bold ring grip for secure handling, ideal for flexing that foldable style. Then there's the silicone case, which mimics the shape of the clear case, but offers a smoother matte feel in stunning color options like coral red, mint, blue, and black, designed to match every Flip 7 variant. And yes, Samsung is keeping the fan favorite Kind Suit case alive, launching it in taupe, camel, and black. Although unlike the Fold 7's new carbon shield case, the Flip 7 isn't getting a rugged upgrade, yet. But what really sets this leak apart is the anti-reflective screen protector. This isn't some flimsy film. It's a precision-engineered, glare-killing shield for the Flip 7's larger cover display. It includes a pill-shaped camera cutout and ships with an entire toolkit: alignment frame, microfiber cloth, dust removal stickers, and a squeegee for flawless installation. This level of attention to detail shows Samsung isn't just trying to protect your device, they're redefining how it integrates with your life. Even though many of these accessories echo last year's designs, they've been subtly optimized for the Flip 7's updated form. What was once a novelty is now a refined ecosystem. These aren't just cases, they're style statements, functionality boosters, and hardware enablers wrapped in Samsung's foldable DNA. And now that the cat's out of the bag, the question isn't what the Flip 7 will come with. It's what other surprises Samsung might be holding back for Unpacked. Get ready. The Flip revolution is about to hit harder than ever. Tipster Jukanlas Reeve shared hands-on photos of the device, showcasing a much cleaner rear camera layout that ditches the bulky camera rings seen on the Fold 6. Instead, Samsung has gone back to the sleeker camera design, from the Fold 5 and Galaxy S24 Ultra, which gives the Fold 7 a more premium and polished feel. The phone shown in the leak is in the new blue signature colorway, and it looks stunning. The matte film over the screen hides the crease well, and the device looks even more refined from both the front and back. Alongside these hands-on leaks, Samsung itself has been building excitement with a colorful teaser on X, offering glimpses of the Fold 7, Flip 7, and a brand new trifold phone. The teaser uses vibrant, energetic visuals, including the words "run," a skateboard riding Z, and symbols like a shoe and a camera, hints that point to improved performance, durability, and enhanced camera features. Interestingly, the teaser suggests that blue will be the signature color of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, while coral red may represent the Galaxy Z Flip 7. It also introduces something called Selfie Studio, which could either be a new One UI 8.0 feature or a creative setup at Samsung's Galaxy Experience spaces. The teaser ends with a bold "Coming soon July 9th, 2025, confirming that Samsung will unveil not just the Fold 7 and Flip 7, but also a budget Flip FE, the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and the 2025 Watch Ultra. Pre-reservations are already live in key markets like the US, where customers can claim a $50 Samsung credit and enter a sweepstakes to win $5,000.